Welcome to Keen Tales TV, kids. We're so excited to have you here today. Get ready for an exciting underwater adventure because today's story is all about the Little Mermaid's adventure. In this story, we'll meet a brave young mermaid named Marina who discovers that being true to herself is the most important thing of all. So, sit back, relax, and dive deep with us into the magical world of the ocean. In the sparkling blue waters of the deep ocean lived a young mermaid named Marina. She had long, flowing hair the color of seaweed, and her tail shimmered like pearls under the sunlight. Marina lived in a vibrant underwater kingdom, full of coral castles, colorful fish, and sea creatures of all kinds. But despite the beauty of her home, Marina always felt different from the other mermaids. While her sisters spent their days collecting shiny pearls or styling their hair with the finest seashells, Marina dreamed of something more. She often swam near the surface, watching the world above, wondering what it would be like to live beyond the waves. One evening, after a day of exploring near the surface, Marina swam home feeling restless. Her sisters, Pearl and Coral, were busy preparing for the Grand Sea Festival, a celebration where all the mermaids and mermen gathered to show off their most dazzling looks and skills. Marina tried to smile, but inside, her heart felt heavy. She loved her sisters and her kingdom, but she couldn't help feeling that there was more to her than just being a perfect mermaid. Still, she wanted to please her family, so she decided to try her best at the festival. The next day, the Sea Festival began. The ocean was filled with music, laughter, and the gleam of pearls and jewels. Marina's sisters twirled in the water, their tails glowing in the light. But as Marina watched them, she felt a tug in her heart. This wasn't her. She didn't want to be a part of this glittering show if it meant pretending to be something she wasn't. Just as Marina was about to leave the festival, she saw a large shadow move across the ocean floor. It was a ship from the world above. Her curiosity took over, and without thinking, Marina darted toward the surface. As she reached the surface, Marina saw the ship was much bigger up close. She watched in awe as humans danced and laughed on deck. But then, she noticed something alarming. A strong wind had picked up, and the ship was swaying dangerously. Marina's heart raced as she saw the humans struggling to control the ship, and soon a young human boy fell overboard, plunging into the deep ocean. Without hesitation, Marina swam to the boy, her strong tail slicing through the water. She reached him just in time, pulling him up to the surface. The boy coughed and gasped for air, but when he opened his eyes, he saw Marina, a mermaid. His eyes widened in shock and wonder. Marina carried him to a nearby rock, gently laying him down. She knew she had to leave before others saw her, but as she started to swim away, the boy called out to her. With that, she dove back into the ocean, her heart pounding. She had just saved a human, something no mermaid was supposed to do. But for the first time in her life, Marina felt like she had done something that was truly her, something that felt right. Back in the kingdom, Marina's sisters were furious. But Marina, feeling more confident than ever, stood her ground. Her sisters were taken aback by her boldness, but Queen Thalassa, their wise mother, had been watching. She swam forward, her eyes filled with understanding. Marina smiled, her heart swelling with pride. Her mother's words reassured her that it was okay to be different. She didn't need to change for anyone because her true strength came from being herself. From that day forward, Marina continued to explore the world above and below the ocean, always staying true to her adventurous spirit. She realized that she didn't have to fit into anyone's expectations to be a great mermaid. By being herself, Marina discovered that she was exactly who she was meant to be. And so, Marina's adventure taught her that being true to herself was far more important than changing to fit in. In the end, she became not just a brave mermaid, but one who lived with courage, kindness, and a heart full of truth. Wow, wasn't that an amazing story? Marina showed us how important it is to follow your heart and be true to yourself, no matter what. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. If you loved the story, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to Keen Tales TV for more fun adventures. We can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.